Hi friends, so today we're going to learn how to make pupusas. And pupusas are not hard to make, they're actually easy to make. The secret to making pupusas is to have the ingredients in the right texture. So when you make the pupusa, it's easy to put it together and pat the pupusa down and make it flat. So today I'm going to explain to you how to make delicious Salvadorian pupusa. To make pupusas, we're going to need about 2 cups of corn flour, Maseca or a different brand. I'm using Maseca. About 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, half of a green pepper, refried beans that you can find how to make them in another video. We're going to need some water to mix with the Maseca, some water to wet our hands while we're making the pupusas, and a little bit of oil. You can make pupusas just with cheese, but today we're making them with green bell pepper. So all we have to do is put the cheese in a food processor. And put the pepper in pieces and grind them together. As you can see, there's little pieces of peppers with the cheese. Now this is not a good consistency for the pupusas, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the cheese in the microwave for about 30 seconds. As you can see, the cheese, I already took it out of the microwave and it's not hard, but it's not melted. It's the right consistency. Also, the beans are soft and they're already mixed with the cheese. Now we're going to mix Maseca with water. The water can be room temperature. As you can see, now we have the masa. It's almost ready. We have to make sure there's no lumps in it and that is soft enough, but that is not too soft that we're not gonna be able to shape the pupusas. You can always add water. So I suggest that you add the water little by little, because if you make it too runny, you won't be able to fix it. It can't be too hard either, because if the masa is too hard, then your pupusas are going to crack, gonna dry up. So I have my griddle here ready. It's hot enough, so now we're going to start making them. Okay, so my masa is a little hard. I'm going to get a little more water to make it softer. And then you can make them the size of your choice. I like to make them a medium size. So take the masa, make a circle. Like this. Then you make like a little hole so you can add your ingredients. We have the cheese. So we add the cheese, ready mixed with the peppers. Close it up, cut the excess off, and then start making it flat again. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. Just pat them down. sometimes they crack and then the cheese is just gonna come out and cook like that. Can't be too thick or too thin. That's what it looks like. You wet your hands in between to make sure the masa doesn't stick on your hands. Again, we cut off the excess and we close it. A little more patting down. How do you know when a pupusa is done? Well, you look that it doesn't look shiny. If the pupusa still looks shiny like this, it needs more cooking. It has to look more like a matte texture. You can see it's shiny in the middle, so that means it's not done. This one is almost done, it's not shiny anymore. So I made about 15 pupusas. As you can see, they're easy to make. You might need to practice, but when I first started, it was a little hard, but then got the hold of it. Thank you for watching. And if you like more recipes like this, please let me know and we can make them together. Thank you.